Okay, I'm Nasreen here. So today we are going to do Bernoulli's theorem, and this is my batch. Okay, and this is the Bernoulli's apparatus. So first here we are having the sump tank, head tank, supply tank and collecting tank. For each tank there is the fixation of piezometers. So here we have to calculate the total energy at various sections in this conduit. This is the conduit. We are calling this as conduit because it is closed at all the sections and it is closed at the upwards and the downward side and fixed by various piezometers. So at each piezometer the diameter of the pipe is given by 40 mm, next 35 mm, 30, 25, 20 mm, again followed by 25 mm, 30 mm, 35 mm, 40 mm. Okay, so we are considering 5 sections up to here, and each section we have to find the total energy. Total energy is given by sum of pressure energy plus velocity hedge and the datum hedge. Okay, so we have to calculate the head levels or piezometer levels given here in centimeters. So first after owning the motor which is running at single phase 220 volts, the water is passed through this head tank by opening the gate valve, and the water is stored in this head tank followed by these piezometer levels, and we have to find the H1, H2 and so on up to H5, these levels. Then the water moves to this supply tank. Then after being stored here, then we have to open this delivery valve. Then the water moves into this collecting tank. Then we have to off this delivery valve and note the time taken for 10 centimeters rise in this piezometer by using the stopwatch in seconds. So finally we have to calculate and prove that at each section the total energy is constant, which in real it is not constant. Actually when the pipe internal surface is having some roughness, then it is obvious that there is some head loss. So we have to finally prove that at section 1 total energy is equals to at section 2 total energy plus head loss. The head loss is found out by using total energy at section 2 minus total energy at section 1. Okay, so finally the answer is like that: P1 by gamma plus V1 square by 2G plus Z1 is equals to P2 by rho plus V2 square by 2G plus Z2 plus HL. Okay, so that is the final conclusion. This is our final lab, HHM lab today. So this was the final last experiment we have done here. We have almost all the apparatus: Pelton wheel turbine, Francis turbine, minor losses, major losses, orifice meter, venturi meter, all the equipments we have in our college. And also this one is the mechanical machine tools lab. You can see the lathe machine there and some of the models here, and the 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine, all this. And recently the final years of mechanical, they have made these extraordinary thing, that is a Petrover, and named it as Petrover 2015 and contributed this one to the college. This one costed them up to 90,000 to construct this one. Okay, so finally it was me, your favorite Naz. This is our experienced sir who is working here from 2 or 3 years. Okay, so thank you, and finally the bye.